Hey everyone, so welcome to my triple DVD unboxing. So I got one from the Half Price Books sealed and two that I arrived from Amazon. So first let's do what I got from the Half Price Books that sealed. So this is from the MGM, so we got Octopussy. Yep, another James Bond DVD. So here's the front, spine, and back. And let's open it. Where did I put this? There we go. Let me open this. Okay. Now to cut this sticker thing. Hopefully that will work. There we go, it worked. Here's the disc. Oh, it's upside down, sorry. And here's the insert, and that's it. Next, it's from Sony Pictures, Columbia Picture. Two of them from the Amazon. So I got The Pursuit of Happiness. So here's the front, spine, the back, and let's open this. Here's the disc, and no inserts, gladly. And last but not least, it is from Amazon. I got The Emperor's New Groove Ultimate Edition in a very good condition. It's not sealed or something. So, here it is. Just the front, spine, the back, and I think it comes with this CD. I think. Okay. Oh, someone got it at the Half Price Books as well. Like I like to go. My favorite store. Let me see the disc. And I think it is in a good condition. And here's disc 2. And that is it for my triple DVD unboxing video. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment and subscribe, and peace out.